Hello, this is Mike with Iron Studio. Just another shop update. So, we built a pipe stand, or a really heavy duty sawhorse. But what we got to do today is Brandon came in and we did some training. And so what he got to work on was kind of pipe welding and using in the different positions. So he kind of left it alone on the table. So you have, your horizontal, you got your overhead, in a little video, it shows, we left this in position. So he's got to do flat, vertical, overhead. So he got to come in and do that, and I got to help teach him. So that was a lot of fun. So here's the little time lapse of that. And then while you guys are watching that, I'm gonna get back to work.